Good morning, it's Monday. No, it's not. It's Saturday. I won't be here Monday, so I thought I'd do an early one. Now, I won't be here. I probably won't be back until Thursday night, so I doubt if I get anything done next week. But before I start showing you what I've been up to this week, I want to show you this. I have a train, partly running. I've had a derailment as well. That coach does not like this track, but I've only just put that on. I'm expecting to run 6 coach trains. So there we go. Right, get to what I've been doing. We'll start off at the usual place, Castle Mound, and we'll go around into Sadie Bay, which is now complete. And so is the top there, look, with 2 lovers waiting to leap off Lover's Leap when nobody's looking. And oh, looks like the pub's open. I hope them socially distancing. Well, that seems to be a family, and that seems to be a couple, and that seems to be a couple. So yeah, maybe they am self-isolating. Right, then we'll go up to the Vinya Dihan Middle School and come across to the start of the town. As you can see, I haven't done any more down there. I've done the cliff face. I've got to put some white bits on, obviously, and some different colours. So, all in all, I haven't had a bad week. These, don't know whether you can make them out. Dry stone walling, homemade. What you do is get some what they call air dry clay. You mix a concoction up of PVA and grey paint. You cut the things into the size you want, dip them in the PVA, and then dip them into the gravel, and that's what you get. I think they don't look too bad, but what do you think? It wouldn't be nice to have some comments occasionally, but I've only got 2 subscribers and I've only got average 30 odd viewers or views, so it's a good job. I ain't expecting to get a lot of subscribers, is it? Right, now where am I? Oh yeah, other than the fact that the train's derailed again, not again, first time it's actually derailed today. But I did put that coach, the second coach, in instead of the coach I've got up there. Well, that's my doing, my fault. So yeah, as I said, it's going to be a 6 coach trains. The platforms are built to carry 6 with a push 7, other than the Hilydale branch line, which will have a 4 coach engine. Oh, I've got these couches here as well. Could have used one of them. Oh well, that's life. Right. Now what do you talk about? Yeah, that up there is my idea. There, the red is just sandpaper. This here is brickwork. Like you got the there. Can you see the brickwork? Oh, here's another question for you. Super quick. I've just built, well, I'm building the 4 terrace houses. They're a nightmare. The plans, well, the instructions are not very clear, and the parts don't like to fit together. Now I've got a few super quick. I've got 2 there. I've got 2 over here. And I ain't sure what I've got in here now because I've been taking them out. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more in there. And to be honest, I might not even build them. I might scrap the idea of building them totally, actually, because the one I've built or building, it's terrible. So I think it's going to be back to Metcalf. Well, you can see I've got quite a few Metcalfs. Anyhow, I'm waffling, so let's stop waffling, Stephen. I've got the farmhouse there, or the manor house, whatever you want to call it. That will go over there. Oh, the garage has moved over there now. Oh dear. Once I've got this part finished, I'm not going to do this part yet. I'm going to concentrate on that corner now and the station, because at the end of the day this track's got to run around into the station, and until I get the platforms down I have no idea where he's going to run into. I'm a bit miffed about that one derailing just after I decided to show you a train running on the layout. I'm using the at the moment oh well, could be worse, don't know where. That's it. Yes, really, there ain't a lot I can tell you tonight. I haven't got as much done as I wanted to get done before I did my upload, but as I say, I won't be a Monday, so I can't do an upload on Monday. I won't be a Tuesday, so I can't do no work a Tuesday. I won't be a Wednesday, so I can't do no work Wednesday. So that means Thursday the earliest, and that's if we get back early enough. It's alright, the wife's been away this week, but I've got to go down and pick her up and help the daughter with a fence, as I told you last week. So questionable if I get back early enough Thursday. If I don't get back early enough Thursday, then I won't be in till Friday, and it's no good uploading anything Friday if I've only just started working again. I'll get a bit more done the weekend, So it might be another Saturday or Sunday upload. I don't upload on Fridays, I upload on Mondays. What am I on about? See, I told you, I'm losing the plot. Yeah, Monday. I upload on Mondays because Tony normally uploads on a Friday. If Graham's doing an upload, he normally does it on Sunday. Normally. Charlie has gone back to every fortnight. So, and the other I follow, it's hit and miss when they do an upload. So, in fact, Everard Junction hasn't done an upload for months, and neither has Scrap Line. So, well, the last one he did, he done the X Valley, the River X. That was enjoyable to watch. I hope them two don't jump off tonight when I'm not watching them. Gotta keep an eye on these people, you know. I'll have to send PC Plod over to talk to them. Oh, I ain't unboxed him yet. I can't. Yeah. Maybe I'm just having a crafty kiss or a crafty drink. They don't seem to have anything in their hands, and they're definitely encroaching on each other, so... oh, yeah. I went to Tenants, as I said I was. They don't do woodland scenics either. So, it looks like I'm having to stay with Jarvis. This is their, well, spring grass and autumn grass, which I've mixed. This here is my soil, which is tea bags or tea. I've put some down there. The grass is there and up there. So that's it. So I don't know if I'm going to have to use Jarvis. I may as well carry on with Oaks's, which is my local model shop. But I did want to try Woodland because everybody seems to rate it. I've never used Woodland before. I'm now using their underlay or bed lay or whatever you want to call it. And yeah, I must admit, it's damn sight better than the old stuff I've got, which was the Pico underlay. I've still got 3/4 of a roll of Pico, so I will be using it where you can't see the trains. But where you can see the trains, it's going to be Scenics. If anybody knows of a shop in the Midlands area that sold Woodland Scenics, I have brought quite a bit off Amazon, but for some unknown reason, it's been nearly a month delivery, and or a lot more dearer than other places. I mean, I'm looking to get a, what do you call them? The applicator, the scatter grass applicator. I can have one for £35 if I'm willing to wait until the end of September. There's something else I've looked on Amazon, and oh yeah, funny enough, I got this from Athens. £13 plus a few pence per roll. I brought 3 rolls. Amazon, it's £39 per roll. Not much difference, is there? Anyhow, I've had me gripe, so I'm going to let you go, and I shall speak to you if I've got enough work done. I'll upload, not this Monday coming, the Monday after, because this Monday's upload is today, Saturday. Okay, so it's from me to you, bye, and bye bye till we do it again. Okay, bye bye, bye.